Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 5 of this. If you look at the difference between this one and this one, pretty cool and pretty easy. So we're going to take a 12-sided polygon like we've done before, and we're going to hit P. And then we're going to grab with the shape tool one of the nodes and right-click and turn it into a curve. And by doing that, you're going to have some handles. In one, we could take away that node, so we'll have a bigger arch. And if you look, you can almost do anything. It's kind of that shape. Now we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. We're going to make it 99% and rotate it 1 degree. And then Control D, and look what it does. It not only does what else we were trying to do, but it actually puts it into a better swirl type pattern. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.